in Ebisu. Stevie boys come all the way from Shizolka.
Yeah, 6 hours.
Yeah. Woo. You excited?
Yeah, excited to see this car. Look like compressor, no?
Gives me shit because it's a small engine, but anyway. So, blockchain. Obviously, blockchain sports is a massive part of my life now. So, the Driftsquid Industries is coming off, everybody. So I'm gonna rip these stickers off, chuck these on, and then we're gonna go do some laps. Can't frickin' wait. There we go. Thanks, brother. Yeah. took you all of 5 minutes. Well, it would have taken me friggin' hours.
Blockchained up.
Yep, hell yeah. All right, so as repayment, you coming for a spin?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Runs at north, and Fausto goes, I'm going to Gashi.
We ran to Gashi.
We're at a Gashi. Oh, holy shit! I was teaching this guy how to drift this time last year. Oh, you did it again? Oh, you're crazy, bro. You're crazy. Good to see you, man. Good to see you too. Ah. Ebisu brings all the people back together. Anyway, Fausto's on track, so this is going to be stupid. Hachi. Yada, yada, yada. I literally said, he said he's gonna hit the wall, he'll go too deep. Fucking David Hunter drift. Jesus, bro. You're a fucking maniac, bro.
Nossa, fucking fácil, é.
E aí, rápido?
Mas se tivesse vainado com a 3 era melhor.
What he said.
Oh, he's got rubber left!
Alright, this is Roger before.
I'm gonna be look like a white guy when I get up.
We'll see what he looks like at the end of this.
The whole thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's only doing one lap.
Okay.
Yeah. It's the best place in the freaking world.
Get me out of this car, bro.
I don't think he's really
I never screamed before in a car. I fucking did just now.
Did you have your GoPro on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sick.
Oh, fucking scary, man. It's really scary.
Time for the beamer?
Hey?
Beamer?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll go get it.
Now. Thank you.
Last lap, he's taking the boss for a spin. Juliana. What a madman. That is so sick. Oh, I fucking love this place. Okay, so we're back up at north. And we're going for a passenger ride. Let's go. Oh, now we're cold. Let's go. You ready?
Let's go.
When the light goes out.
Are you tired?
Tired?
Tired? Say okay.
Okay. Now we're taking Roger for a quick spin. This is gonna be sick. You ready? Let's go! Let's fucking go! Let's go! So just changed the stack of tyres, had Mitsu help me. Wow. And we're gonna go out again at night time. Maybe. It's getting a little bit crazy now. So Nishi's shut. So everyone's come up to north. Robart and Ethan are out there, so I'm hoping to get a shot of them. Nighttime Matsuri. Freaking ridiculous. Track shut, lights are on. There's freaking people everywhere.